Creating invoices, contracts, and proposals manually takes time, but we can automate the process. With Make.com, we connect PandaDoc to your client data source, so documents are generated automatically. Here's how it works. When a new client is added to your system, the automation triggers PandaDoc to create a ready-to-send document. That could be an invoice, a contract, or a proposal, all formatted with your brand and personalized for each client. Since this is a demo project, I'm using Google Sheets as the data source. But in real scenarios, your CRM connects directly and updates automatically. Once the document is generated, it's sent straight to the client. Efficient, consistent, and scalable. That's the power of automation with Make.com, PandaDoc, and your CRM.